The secret of nature. Who are true mother and father? Do you know who our true mother and father are? Well, in this ancient Vedas, there is a beautiful verse. Vidya sharasya pittaram parjanyam bhuri dhayasam trivyo shasya mataram prithvim bhurpasam. It says that Prajanya, the clouds, are like our father because they provide the life sustaining rain, and Prithvi, the earth, is our mother because she nurtures us and provides us with a home. They are not just nature, they are our very foundation. It is our duty to respect and protect them. Do you love nature? Comment yes for of course and subscribe for more wisdom. Radhe Radhe.